this episode, we're going to compare Cyclr and n8n in terms of integration delivery. For SaaS companies, consulting or digital marketing agencies, delivering multiple integrations to multiple customers often involves managing credentials, ensuring data security, and handling workflow deployment and maintenance. First of all, we'll focus on multi-tenant support, which serves as the foundation for delivering multiple integrations to multiple customers. After that, we'll explore the different embedded models offered by Cyclr and n8n. Starting with n8n, as it does not initially include multi-tenant support, the simplest approach is to use a single instance with multiple projects managed through project member allocation and role-based access control, RBAC. This setup allows you to deploy different workflows and assign specific credentials to individual projects. However, projects are not tenant-based, meaning there is limited monitoring, auditing, and usage tracking at the tenant level. While credential separation is not 100% enforced, this can still lead to potential security concerns. In addition, workflow maintenance can be challenging, as updates often need to be performed manually rather than through automation. Furthermore, in the public cloud version, n8n Cloud, the business plan only supports up to 3 shared projects, which may push users toward the enterprise plan, a less suitable option for SMBs and startups. Although you can deploy multiple n8n instances in your private cloud, this approach requires significant engineering resources and involves high maintenance overhead. Unlike n8n, Cyclr offers built-in multi-tenancy, allowing you to manage multiple client accounts independently within a single platform. This is especially valuable when delivering similar integration workflows across clients, each requiring its own unique configuration. For example, an IT service provider working with real estate development firms can create separate accounts for each client, customize data mappings to match individual systems, and adjust parts of a shared workflow to meet specific business requirements, transforming a standard integration into a fully tailored solution. With pre-built dashboards and reports, you can easily monitor usage metrics such as the number of connected users, errors per account, and workflow activity. Once an integration template is updated, Cyclr can automatically deploy those updates across multiple customer accounts, streamlining delivery and minimizing manual effort. These capabilities are available in both our public cloud and private cloud models. Let's review both platforms from the perspective of the embedded layer. Cyclr offers multiple options for SaaS companies to embed integrations directly within their applications, enabling end users to easily turn on or activate them. The most convenient and out-of-the-box option is the embedded marketplace. With this feature, you can build an entire customer-facing integration experience without any programming or additional development effort. Imagine you're running an AI SaaS platform where customers need to upload documents from various file storage systems, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, or an SFTP server, and ingest that data into a vector database like Pinecone. Within the embedded marketplace, you can implement marketplace categories, different type of integration, user configurable data mapping fields, and application authorization processes, all directly inside your product. For example, when an end user selects SFTP, they simply enter details such as the host URL, username, private key, passphrase, and time zone to complete authentication. Once the application is installed on the front end, the integration is automatically deployed and begins running without any additional setup. Behind the scenes, Cyclr's multi-tenant architecture automatically provisions the pre-built integration template into the corresponding customer account. From there, the system extracts files from SFTP, processes them step by step, and seamlessly uploads the data into Pinecone. Additionally, the Cyclr embedded marketplace allows full styling customization and can be embedded via an iframe, ensuring it blends seamlessly with the look and feel of your own application. On the other hand, if you prefer to maintain your own user interface for integration delivery, Cyclr offers a comprehensive set of API endpoints that let you interact with integration templates, user accounts, and even external systems through the Universal API. This gives you the flexibility to design and deliver a completely customized integration experience tailored to your users' needs. Again, these capabilities are available in both our public cloud and private cloud models. For n8n, the information about building customer-facing integrations seems quite limited on their official website. It also appears that there is no mention of an embedded marketplace. The only alternative is to use the n8n REST API to design and build your own integration interface, a process that typically requires significant engineering resources. Additionally, this model can be deployed only within your private cloud and is not supported on n8n Cloud. As a result, creating a customer-facing integration experience in n8n tends to be complex and cannot be achieved out of the box. In conclusion, with its extensive experience in the embedded iPaaS market, Cyclr remains a market leader, offering robust multi-tenant support, an out-of-the-box embedded marketplace, and flexible deployment options across both private and public cloud environments. We hope this video gave you a deeper insight into how Cyclr and n8n compare in integration delivery. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.